God first. I see evil when I converse. Not today, say. This how God works.
The house is a mess. The house is a mess. It's literally extremely messy. I have been sick with the stomach virus for about 3 days now. I am finally starting to feel better. I am about 18 weeks pregnant right now, and it's just been, mommy has been out of commission. And when I'm out of commission, it gets bad. I mean, I feel like this is a little ridiculous, but it gets bad. So today we are going to do a whole house clean with me. It's probably going to be 2 days because I'm starting pretty late at night. But I just wanted to get started. You know how when you just get tired of the mess, you just like, I just need to get started. So we're going to get started today. Like I said, probably finish off tomorrow, but let's go. So I just started off with a quick pickup of my bathroom. Then I went ahead and I helped my daughter clear out her room and get her room situated while my son worked on his room and got his room situated. Once I was done with her room, he called me to give his room a once over. And so I went through and just told him, a couple of things that he needed to pick up off of the floor and fix his bed better. But besides that, I think he did a relatively good job. And I went ahead and went to my room. This is actually a different day. This is the next day. Next to my bed is a literal disaster. I don't know if you saw the banana peel that was on the floor because I was living off of bananas, rice, and applesauce, and I could not make it far. So there was food next to my bed. Yes, there was. And I am not proud of it. Not proud of it, but it's true. It took me a good minute to clean my room, guys. It took me about an hour just to weed through all the stuff that was here and all over the bedroom and just get everything straightened up and get everything all together. But it was very relieving once I was done. Our bedroom is one of the places that we really want to work on and get pretty and get all the things. If you're new here, I just recently moved into this house, and so there's a lot of projects that need to be done to get it to, to our liking and to get it furnished and different things like that. And one of those is our bedroom. And so right now we're Montessori living it, and we are sleeping on a mattress on the floor, and we have absolutely no furniture in our room, but we're making the best of it, and it's honestly not that bad. I am just thankful to have a bed and to have a place to sleep and to not be sleeping on the floor. And what more do you need inside of a bedroom besides the bed, right? And plus, we got a bed and a desk and a dog cage. So, got way more than what we need. But we are minimal, but we're not that minimal. So, eventually, we would like to get some furniture in here. But just, thankful and grateful for what we do have, and that this is our home and we get to create it and make it into what we love. So I had the desk over here for quite some time. I didn't have it up against the wall just because when I am recording my podcast and different things like that, the lighting from the window is what I use to record. And so by having it a little bit off of the wall, I was taking advantage of that lighting. So I decided to move the desk after I cleaned it here. I was like, maybe I can put the desk where the dog cage is and see how we like it there and have them switch places kind of. My husband said it looks like I have a bouncer for the bathroom. So I don't know if we're going to keep it there. But that's where it is right now, with me bouncing the bathroom. So when I clean, I like to kind of clean in a circle from left to right, up and down type of thing. So I just went back to where I was or where I started and took the things out of the room that didn't belong in the room. I also like to create piles of things that need to leave the room rather than running out while I'm in the middle of cleaning, because I feel like I'm just constantly running out of the room. And so I create the pile so that it's like one out section, if that makes sense. And so that's why I was back to the beginning. But I do like to work in a circle and get things picked up and cleared off. I love vacuuming my room. I don't know what it is. I love vacuuming anywhere, really. I just feel like the vacuum is like the eyebrows. Like, you know, when you do your makeup and you get your eyebrows and your mascara right, I feel like the vacuum is just what makes it. Yes. Now, believe it or not, ladies, one of my most favorite places to clean in the entire house is the bathroom. There is something about a clean bathroom that just makes me so happy and makes me feel so, I don't know, good. It's weird. I know most people, it's not the bathroom, but for me, it is. I just love a clean bathroom. And so one of the things that I like to do is completely clear off all the countertops first. Out of anywhere that I go, but especially in the restroom, which can look so cluttered so fast. And so I get that completely cleared out, and then I spray everything and wipe from top to bottom, left to right, and get everything completely wiped down. Right now, I am using a Vinegar Dawn solution or Vinegar Dawn DIY mix or whatever to wipe everything down with. It works relatively well, especially if I'm not deep cleaning the bathroom. It's just my go-to. Now, this tub has actually not been bathed in or used in that way, but my kids have been playing in the tub, and so their like footprints are all in here, and so I get to scrub the tub now. I am actually using like a Pine Sol cleaner to scrub it down, and this belly is so in the way and having to get all the way down here. I literally have to almost climb inside of the tub to clean it. I want something that can, like right now I'm using a pitcher, but I'd love for there to be like, I don't know, a shower head or something that I can pull out to get to the back of the tub, because it's so difficult to clean that it's like, I don't even want to use it. But when it's clean, ladies, ooh, it looks good. This is my teeny tiny scary shower that I use every single day. I can't wait to redo my bathroom, but that's okay. Just thankful for what I have right now. And I'm thankful for this brush so that I don't have to bend down and scrub on my hands and knees. And I don't necessarily have to break my back. So thankful for this brush and thankful for my teeny tiny scary shower. And thankful that it works. So if you didn't think I was crazy before, you're going to think I'm crazy now. My most favorite thing to have cleaned and to deep clean is the toilet. I know. I'm crazy. But a clean toilet, y'all. I love a clean toilet. I just feel like, yes, my toilet is clean. My life is right. You know what I mean? I just love a clean toilet. But I was so sick and doing all types of things on this toilet when I was sick, if you know what I mean, that I had to like Lysol this bad boy from top to bottom. And then once I was done with the disinfectant, then I went ahead and used a cleaner with the disinfectant wipes to go in there and really get it like wiped down super well and get it super clean, because I was not trying to pass this bug to anybody. To anybody. I didn't want no one to have this bug. And thankfully, no one else in my home got it. And I'm very thankful for that. Question: do you guys wash your gloves that you use in your restroom? I wash them. Like once I'm done using it, I wash it. I wash my hands as if I will, I had used my hands, if that makes sense. I don't know. It's just something about putting the dirty glove that I use to clean, just putting it away again dirty. I can't. So I have to like wash my hands once I'm done and then clean my sink afterwards. But that's it. That's pretty much it for the bathroom. It's super quick and easy. Took maybe about 15 to 20 minutes. And I had my dog helping me. She follows me everywhere. But she was helping me sweep up in there. But isn't it beautiful? Doesn't it just make you feel like, it's old, y'all. It's old. But you can still take a deep breath. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for part 2. Bye.